Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Jack. B plus N plus knee. Jack Benny. Jack Benny. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you. Once again, an enthusiastic audience here in our studio at NBC. A lot of young ladies and a few young gentlemen from Cal State and Northridge who are here to cheer on our players. And they've been cheering on our champion, the young lady on my left. This is Christina Allion, who won $3,864. That's a Florida Golf and Tennis Resort vacation. Christina, tell me a little bit about your background. Where are you from?
Okay, I'm originally from Pennsylvania. I'm a 4th and 5th grade teacher in Los Angeles right now.
Ah. I've heard so much about budget cutbacks. Are they going to cut back your salaries?
I don't think so. No, we have a good union. So.
Yeah? And we have good teachers, too.
Great teachers.
All right, let's meet your challenger. This young lady joins us for the first time. Her name is Lori Lampert. Hiya, Lori.
Hi, Alex.
Now, what about you? What do you do?
Well, I promised a friend I would tell you what I do by saying coffee to your meat.
Ah, you work in a little...
I'm not going to get money for that.
Little cafe in Hollywood?
No, I work in a big cafe in the sky.
Big cafe in the sky. All right, you work for one of our airlines. You ready to win? Hmm? You ready to play?
Absolutely.
Okay, take a look over here, and we will show you one of the prizes.
Part of Adler & Company's diamond jewelry collection, an elegant diamond bracelet crafted in 14-karat gold. This bracelet features 36 points of sparkling diamonds, captivating any woman's dreams, furnished by Adler & Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. The beautiful diamond bracelet can be found on the board at number 2. A vacation in Honolulu, Hawaii is also on our board. Lori, you're going to get to pick first, and I didn't mean to throw a monkey wrench in your humor a few moments ago. I'm a little too old to play certain games.
I'll keep quiet on that.
All right.
Okay, let's start the game. Let's go right to the middle. What's under number 13?
13? How about a wall mirror?
Okay. We need to furnish our new apartment, so anything like that. Let's look for that match under number 25.
Crystal gift certificate. No match. Christina.
Okay, let's see what's behind lucky number 19.
Honolulu.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's see. How about number 12?
Dishwasher. Lori.
All right. How about number 16?
Chinese wok set.
One of my roommates wants one of those. Let's look for the match at number 10.
Red tape. How many roommates do you have?
2, kind of 3. But she's leaving us. One of them is leaving us. Yeah, she's going to get married.
Well, so is Christina. In about a week. Yeah. Christina, select again.
Okay, how about number 21?
Red take.
Okay, and number 10?
Number 10. Yes, there's the match. The take is yours. And a look at the puzzle is yours. Aha. Select again.
Okay, how about number 1?
Honolulu.
Oh, and number 19 for the match.
That was easy. Wouldn't it be nice to have a choice of honeymoons, either Florida or Hawaii?
That'd be great.
Could work out. Could work out. You know the drill. You have to solve the puzzle. 2 doors opening for you. Try it again.
Okay, let's open up the middle. Number 8.
Crystal gift certificate.
Did see that. Okay, 17.
No oak rocking chair there. Lori.
I think we saw that at number 16.
16 for the Chinese wok
but
set.
I could be wrong. Okay. Number 4.
4 is a match. Just like that. Way to go, Lori. Nicely done.
Thank you.
Take a look.
Okay.
Select.
Okay. How about number 12?
Dishwasher.
Oh, we saw that already. Let's go to number 23.
Dishwasher. 2 in a row for Lori.
Woo!
Naturally made. Also, no wild cards. 2 more doors opening for Lori. LL. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 20?
Green take.
I don't know if we saw that. Number 9.
Wild card, so you're going to get the green take. 3 in a row now. The other green take at position number 7. Lori, you work for an airline, right? So maybe the thought of taking a vacation in Hawaii is not all that appealing to you, but that's the prize that...
I'll take it.
Well, I was setting it up in kind of a negative way, and she grabbed it anyway. All right, the Hawaiian holiday goes on Lori Lampert's side of the prize board, and we open 3 panels for her.
Is it stop sign?
Is it stop sign? It is, and we have a new winner. Go to the board, Lori.
All right. Okay, got the S and the top plus the top for stop, and the S plus the I plus the N for sign. Stop sign.
Stop sign. Easy puzzle for this young
Yes.
lady. Did it beautifully.
Yes.
You've handed Christina her second strike, and that means
It's
you have
okay.
to say goodbye. But you do have that Florida golf and tennis resort vacation.
Thank you.
Happy honeymoon.
Thank
there,
you. I
Christina.
had a great time, Lori. Good luck.
Take care. So long, Christina. All right, Lori, you picked up some prizes. Let's find out about those right now.
A Chinese wok set and a dishwasher, a Whirlpool Power Clean Energy Saver portable convertible or under-counter dishwasher with Power Clean washing system and exclusive in-the-door silverware basket furnished by Whirlpool, and Honolulu, Hawaii. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy 6 nights at the famous Hilton Hawaiian Village, home of Don Ho, international star Charo, award-winning restaurants and 100 boutiques, a 20-acre tropical resort furnished by Hilton Hawaiian Village. And Lori, you're flying high now. You've won a game and prizes totaling $4,202.
That's a great debut win for you, and you'll get a chance to add to that with a brand new car, possibly after this. Lori, are those 3 people out there your roommates, the 2 guys and a girl?
Yeah.
Fun
They
house.
are.
All right.
It
here
is
are the-
a fun house.
Yes, indeed. Let's take a look at the 15 numbered squares. Concentrate on this for the next few moments. 35 seconds is what you will be working with. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No again.
5, 6,
Nope.
7, 8,
No.
9, 10,
No.
2, 10,
Right.
11, 6,
No.
9, 11,
Right.
12, 8,
Nope.
7, 8,
Nope.
7, 12,
That's right.
13, 6,
No.
3, 14,
Nope.
5, 14.
3 more matches to go. You made 4. That's all right. It's a big disappointment for them, but they probably want to watch you perform in other games and win some more prizes that you can share with them. You've won $4,202,
Yeah.
and you're going to play in game number 2 right after this.
All right.
Good. New face belongs to the newcomer on the program, Andrew Dominguez.
How you doing,
Hi,
Alex?
Andy.
Good, good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Whittier. I was born and raised there.
Yeah, you still in school or are you working?
I'm working. I work as an electrician for a nice company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you had a lot of chances to practice playing our game at home?
Not really while I'm working, but they tape it for me and I watch it. So.
Okay, so you're ready to go. In other words.
I've been ready, Alex.
Okay, take a look over here. This is something that you will love.
A distinctive-looking solid brass cradle with canopy furnished by Swan Brass Beds, plus a lovely cradle furnished by Mia Armand. Alex.
A little expensive for a dog, I would think, but nevertheless, a beautiful prize for Lori and Andrew at number 11, brass cradle. We have 5 bonus car seconds in this game. We have a Mexican cruise, and the cash pot is now up to $800. But we have just 1 wild card, and Andrew, you get to go first.
Okay, this kid needs a vacation. Number 9.
Number 9, red take.
Let's match that red take under number 17.
Men's sweater collection, no match there. Lori,
Okay, let's start with 13 again.
Mexican cruise.
Yes, that'd be very nice. How about number 25?
Green take, no match. Andrew.
Okay, number 9.
Red take. You like number 9?
Yeah.
Keep going there.
Let's match that with number 12.
There's a wild card, so it's going to be a match. It worked out this time. The other red take is at number 19, and that means that you'll have this for insurance purposes, for use later on. But right now, we open 3 panels for you, Andrew. Pick again.
Number 2.
A deli meat slicer.
Let's match that with number 15.
No, that's a brass cradle. Lori?
All right, the cradle was under number 11.
Correct.
And match it under number 15.
There's a match. You got a kick out of that deli meat slicer, though, didn't you?
Yeah, I can always use one of those.
Sure you can. Let's open these 2 doors for you. Based on one of Lori's comments to me during a commercial break earlier, I have a feeling she doesn't visit the kitchen very often.
I do, too.
Do you? All right, pick again.
Number 1.
Diamond and gold pin.
Jewelry's always cool. How about number 18?
Color TV. No match.
Better.
Andrew?
Number 5, please.
Cash pot.
Ooh. Let's go with right next door to number 4.
5 bonus car seconds. No match there. Lori, back to you.
We haven't seen number 6. Let's look there.
Green take.
25?
Green
Yes.
take. Yes.
Pretty useless right now.
Well, no, it's not useless at all, because what it does is it enables you to counter his red take, so that if you should get a real good prize in your column that you want to
can't
protect,
take it.
you can do it.
Okay.
Let's open it up. I have to explain everything to some
It's
people.
just awful.
Yes, isn't it?
It's terrible. I'm sorry.
Obviously, you can't solve this, so pick again.
Obviously not. Number 21.
Contemporary
Oh.
sofa.
We need this.
What are you guys living in right now?
You wouldn't believe. Number 7.
Silver tea and coffee. Are you guys living in a station wagon?
No, we have an apartment. It's very nice.
Is there any furniture in the apartment at all?
Yes.
Hammocks?
No. We have bedroom stuff.
Okay. Andrew, back to you.
Number 18.
Color TV?
I saw that under number 2.
Number 2. No, that's the deli meat slicer. Don't take that away from Lori.
Yeah, please. Was it number 17? I guess
Men's
not.
sweater collection.
Was that under number 7?
Nope, that's the silver tea and coffee service. Let's go back to Andrew.
Number 20, please.
Color TV.
Saw that under number 23.
No, that's the men's sweater collection. Lori.
Okay, was it 18
Color TV.
and 20?
Right.
All right.
That's 1. That goes up there with the brass cradle, and down here we open 2 panels for you.
Okay. How about number 23
Yeah. That's the sweater
and
collection.
17?
That's a match also.
All right.
You're doing well. You're opening a puzzle. Let's see what happens now. Pick again.
What's under number 10?
We'll show you.
Well, thank you.
It's a Mexican cruise.
Oh, 4? Oh,
4, she says, but
No.
she's not too confident in that selection, and with good reason. It wasn't the right match. Andrew.
Okay, was it number 13?
13, yes.
Match of number 10.
Number 10 is right. 1 prize only on Andrew Dominguez's column, and it's the Mexican cruise. Now, you have the red take, and she has some prizes.
I think I'll wait. Just a little longer.
All right, open it up. Pick again, Andrew.
Number 1, please.
Diamond and gold pin.
Ooh. Was that under number 14?
Is it? No, that's the cash pot. Here's a break for Lori. A double break, really.
number 5
Cash pot.
and 14.
14, yes. Now, he did not use his take a moment ago. I'm going to offer you the same choice. You can use yours and save it. He's got the Mexican cruise. Cruise. Mexico. Cruise. Not flying. Cruise.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
All right. 2 panels. Swing them open. Select again.
Number 3.
Contemporary sofa.
21?
Contemporary sofa. Furniture for the apartment, maybe. Lori?
What?
Now?
Not yet. Save it.
No, not yet.
Not now. Open it.
Oh, Andrew.
What?
Select again, Lori.
Number 24?
Silver tea and
Number
coffee
7
service.
for the match. Please.
Yes.
Yep.
Now, Lori?
No. No.
Not now. Okay. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 4.
5 bonus car seconds.
Okay, we haven't seen that. I don't know what we haven't seen. 8.
5
Yes!
bonus car seconds. Lori. Now, Lori?
Save it. Save it.
I'll take the cruise.
Give her the cruise, the Mexican cruise. Open these 2 doors and see if she can win it all. Make another, oh, you won't get a chance to make another selection. Hands on your signaling buttons, please. And we will reveal the 4 squares that remain hidden. Number 1. Andy is in there first.
Is it where the buffalo roam?
Where the buffalo roam, he says, and he's confident. He's right. And Lori, oh, that one hurt.
Yeah,
Come on, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm a Mexican cruise. Okay, we got the W and the hair. Where the and ba and fall and ho, buffalo and roam. Roam. Right there.
Rome, Italy, that's right. Way to go. Nicely done. It's unfortunate that she took that Mexican cruise away from you at the very end there. But, Lori, that's just 1 strike against you. You'll play again.
Well, I feel bad. I took his cruise.
Yeah,
Well, you should feel bad about
okay,
it.
I feel bad.
All right, well, go backstage. We'll roll you off. We'll see you in a bit, Lori. All right, Andrew, no prizes in your column. You had the Mexican cruise. She took it away.
Yeah.
But you do have a shot at a brand new car when we come back. Andrew doesn't look all that happy. He won the game, but he doesn't seem very excited about it. And the reason, of course, is because there were no prizes. However, he does have a chance to win a brand new car in a few moments. Right now, you have a chance to find out how you could wind up being a contestant on our program. Here's Marjorie to tell you.
Thanks, Alex. If you would like to try out for Classic Concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234 or 213-967-1234.
Now, tell her what she did wrong on that, Andrew. She said 967.
Oh, shut up.
That's 967 to me, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. 965.
Oh!
Cinco.
Cinco. Sorry.
And that's the story of your life, sinking into the sunset. All right, and remember, folks, if you are going to call, you'll stand a much better chance of getting through if you make your call. All right, Andrew, here are the 15 numbered squares for you. You can call them out in English or Spanish. It doesn't matter. 35 seconds on the clock for you. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 2.
No.
6, 7.
Nope.
8, 4.
Yes.
9, 2.
No.
10, 11.
No.
12, 1.
No.
5, 14.
No.
13, 15.
No.
5, 15.
C.
12.
12, 2. Didn't work out too well.
There's next time.
There is a next time. As a matter of fact, since you have not lost a game, you are going to be here for at least 2 more games. We're going to take a break right now, and we're going to hear about another prize. You might wind up with this one. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals in 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Believe me, this young man is determined. He says that when he comes back on tomorrow's program, he is going to win and win big. Check us out next time on Concentration. So long, everyone.
Coming up next, it's To Tell the Truth with Alex Trebek. Then get the inside track on some of the most fascinating and sensational trials making headlines today on Trial Watch, only on NBC.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.